Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I love 164. Today we are going to do a mega unboxing of all the majorettes I have got this week. So you can see them, right? They are all here. They are like 10 plus, I guess 11 or 12, I don't know. So without wasting the time, we are just going to start opening them up. This is your short card street cars series Audi R8. Yes, I'm just going to open it from this side, and here's your car. No, I'm not going to put them on the turntable. This is your Audi R8. I'm just going to show you guys these cars in a traditional way. We have all the details over here. We do not have any number plate, but the Audi logo is here. The wheels look really well. The front looks amazing with the Audi logo on the front as well. And this white is actually a matte kind of finish. Not sure if you are able to see the interior, but it's quite a good interior in this price range. No, this one does not have any suspension, but look at this. It rolls good and it looks really beautiful. See? It's a nice car, right? Let's park it here. Or here. I don't know. Let's park it here. I'm sorry for the background noises. There is some construction work going on in the neighborhood. This is your Toyota GRMN Yaris. Here's your car art. This is your car. Why I picked this? I'm not a fan of Toyota Yaris, but I picked this one because I really like the color of this car and the wheels as well. I'll just put this back in it like this so that when I need to store them back I can. And here is your car. I really like the 6-spoke wheels on this. We have all the front detailing. The back looks really nice actually. I like this spoiler. It's a separate piece, I think. And yeah, it does have opening doors and yeah, suspension also. See, nice suspension, rolls good. Let's place it here. I'm confused. There are so many cars. I'm not sure from where to start and where to end. This is your next. It's an Alpine A110. So those who have seen my previous video of the Hot Wheels 5 pack of Yaris pack, I'm actually shooting these two videos back to back, and I'm a little sick today. Actually, I'm not fine, so I'm really sorry if my energy levels are not meeting the excitement I have. This is what happens when you're sick, right? See, the front looks good, the side looks good, and the wheels are beautiful. I really like these wheels actually. These are new. And we have a beautiful back of this car as well with this spoiler. Majorette is going extra mile this time. Usually Majorettes were not this good, but now they are. It is quite a piece. I do not have this car in my collection. Yes, it does have suspension and it rolls good. Let's place it here. So the next I'm going to open is actually a very beautiful Jeep. It's a Wrangler. I have opened many cars. I have couple hundred of Majorettes in my collection, maybe. If not 100, maybe 50 around, including these. But I've never pulled these out ever, because if I have to pull them, I need to rip it a little more, and I don't want to do that. Here's your Jeep. There are no doors on this, and that's why it is a bit different than others, and this is the reason I bought it. And the childs are playing. Yeah, this suspension is actually really well. I like it, and this hood opens. Not many details, but in this price range, it's good, not bad. See, the suspension is actually very good. So it is made for off-roading. So next up we have is this Ford F50 150 Raptor. You guys probably, those who have seen my previous video would have seen the one. I don't have it here right now. I've opened this in orange previously, and now this is, it's more like Gulf livery, but it's not. These are just the kind of color that Gulf uses. Nice sides, front looks good with the Ford logo in orange. The wheels look good on this actually. Of course, this does have suspension and opening doors as well. And it rolls well as well. It rolls good, really good. So let's park this one here. Next, I'm going to open another truck actually. It's a Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. I really like the color. The white color looks good on this truck. The wheels are good as well. They look simple yet stylish. This suits this truck actually. It looks nice, really nice. The front look is good. Side look profile is good. Rear is nice with the 4x4 and Tacoma, all these details. And yeah, of course, opening doors and suspension. The suspension is not sure how good it is. Suspension of this one is not very good, but yeah, it will work. So I'll just put this one on the end and park it here. The next we have is Jeep Wrangler. Another Jeep, but this one does have Oh, so they are like two separate pieces. This one does have doors on it, and they open. They look kind of sick, right? This color look good on this. The wheels are also good on this, and see this front with all the details on the hood. The rear looks cool too, and it does have opening doors, suspension rolls perfect. Well, sometimes Majorette create really nice cars actually. So far, they are all really good. Next, we have this Volvo 240 GL Estate. This is something that everybody wants actually, and I really like it. The way they made it actually. The color look really good on this. This is not red color actually. This is more like orange. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, stabilize it. Here's your Volvo. Really nice. The wheels are good. Suits on this Volvo. The logo, the headlights, the tail light details with the Volvo logo on this. Of course, we have suspension, and this is quite a good one actually. We have opening door. The doors are quite tight for this one. But yeah, suspension is really nice. The car rolls good. It's a really nice car. I like it. I'm going to place it in my collection in the display actually. Some of these cars I have some space left in the display. I'll put these cars on the display. Next up we have is a DS21. This is something I saw first time in my life. And the moment I saw it, I grabbed it. This is like a very unique casting. I'm sorry for that. This is a very unique casting. And you're sick, you're not very attentive on everything. I really want to say sorry. I apologize. Look, the color, the wheels, the hub on the wheels, this cap. This is something that Matchbox created in its normal version. Look at the front, the bumpers, the rear tail lights. These indicators look cool, right? They are like coming out from the roof and still look good. Wow. It's really nice. Yes, it does have suspension. Rolls really perfect. Looks perfect. Nice, I like it. Next up we have this Ford Bronco. It's a wild track, and it is a wild truck actually. This is huge. This is like huge. Look at this. The wheels are so big on this one. The color looks amazing. The side profile and the trims, the Ford Performance logo on the side. Sorry. The Bronco on the front. Rear looks nice. Bottom is good. Suspension is good. And yes, This does have opening doors as well. Not sure if this roof comes out. Yeah, I don't want to break it actually. Just let it be like that. To me it looks perfect. Rolls good. Nice. Very nice. Next we have is this Mercedes-Benz 190E. We have seen this Mercedes a couple of times in different makes, but this is the first time I'm seeing it in this particular one, Majorette, and they nailed it. Honestly speaking, if you just change the wheels to real riders or something, rubber tires and base to metal, this is no less than mini GT. Every detail is to the point. The spoiler, the sides, the wheels, the front, the grille. Opening door feature is there. And even this one have suspension. Not much, but yes. It's a low car, right? It's a low rider kind of. It's a beautiful car. I'll just place this here instead. So last up we have this Bugatti Chiron per Sport. It's quite a rare kind of combination, the orange with the black. Look at this. Look at this. The black color with these rims and orange lid on it. The top have the stripe going from front to back. The front looks crazy. Front looks crazy actually. Beautiful. Number 16 on the top, and yes, we have tail lights DTI as well. And this does have opening door, and it rolls perfectly. So guys, that was your unboxing for today. We have opened all the cars for Majorette, whatever I had. I'll just do some. Yeah. I like placing them, in good way, because I'm going to collect some pictures and they all look perfect. Do let me know which one is your favorite. If I would be asked to pick one, it's very hard for me because they are all good. They are very good. But I like the Bugatti and the Mercedes a lot, especially this Volvo. Thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.